How to use Grammarly in Word. First, open any browser on a device. Then tap on the search bar and type Grammarly. Click on the first link that appears from the result. From the home screen, click on Get Grammarly, it's free button. Now if you already have a Grammarly account, tap on I have an account button. But if you don't, then click on the option that you would like to sign up with. Since I already have an account, I'll select I have an account option. Select your account, or you can sign in with different account by tapping on sign in with a different account option. Now enter the password of a Grammarly account. Then tap on sign in button. Once you've logged into your account, tap on apps from the left side. Here you can see different options. Among them, install Grammarly for Windows by tapping on the install button. Now open up Microsoft Word on a device. You can start typing in Word. Now to correct something or use Grammarly, simply tap on the icon shown at the bottom right corner. Here you can see what things to correct. To use the corrected sentence, tap on the accept button. And that's how you can use Grammarly in Word.